In this video, we will show you how to perform hardware diagnostics using Lenovo Vantage. The Lenovo Vantage app is available for free from the Microsoft Store. Open Lenovo Vantage and select Hardware Scan. The Hardware Scan button can either be found in the top right corner or by toggling the menu button depending on your screen size. You have the option to run quick tests or custom tests. Quick tests on the entire system will take just a few minutes to complete and will run all the basic tests to verify your computer's hardware functionality. Click Quick Scan to begin and make sure you are not using your PC while the tests are running. You can see the results of each test as they are completed. If there are any errors, you will be instructed to contact Lenovo support. You can find a result code next to each individual test and a final result code for the overall test at the top of the screen. You may need these codes when you talk to a Lenovo support agent. If you are experiencing problems with specific components, you can customize your scan to only test those components. Custom tests on the entire system may take several hours to complete based on your system's hardware configuration. Once you are ready, click Run Selected Tests. Make sure you are not using your PC while the tests are running. When your tests are complete, if you have an error code, you may be given the option of opening a support ticket. Click Open Ticket and fill out any necessary information. The most recent test results are also automatically saved for your convenience. Click the View Details Log button to view previous results. You may also have the option to recover bad sectors on a supported storage device. This button will be disabled if your device does not support this feature. Click Recover Bad Sectors and then select a device. Click the Recover Bad Sectors button below. Keep in mind that this may result in data loss, so it's always a good idea to back up your drive first. Click Download Professional Diagnostics Tools to open a page where you can find more robust UEFI, Linux, and Windows tools to help solve problems in different scenarios. If you have any more questions about the Lenovo Vantage hardware scan tool, go to support.lenovo.com.